There is this method that has generated me over $1,000, and all of these sales were actually coming from free traffic. I didn't spend any money. They were all repeated sales. And in this video, I want to walk you through the same process, these same strategies that generated me over $1,000. So at the end of the day, you too can go out there and repeat the same process. And trust me, if you follow the whole video the way I'm going to show you, the sky is going to be your limit. And having said this, let's dive into the video right away. But before then, let's discuss about the concept of this video. Let's assume this is the product that we are going to be promoting in this video. And normally, this is going to be the traffic source that we are going to be using. We are actually going to be using two traffic sources in promoting our affiliate products. This is going to be Imgur, and then this is going to be Reddit. We would have loved to promote our affiliate product directly on this website, and the same thing apply to Reddit. We would have loved to promote our affiliate product directly. But since this is an affiliate product, Imgur and Reddit will not allow our affiliate link. And for that, they're going to ban this affiliate link directly. And in order for us to bypass this method, we're going to be using Google Docs that is going to serve as a bridge page between our website where we are going to be promoting our link and our affiliate product. We are going to create the same post both on Imgur and on Reddit. And this post will be linked from Reddit to Google Docs. And from Google Docs, we are going to be linking to our affiliate product where customer can potentially make a purchase and then we will generate some money. I know it sounds a little bit confusing, but don't worry, I'm going to walk you through step by step. Now, let's go ahead to the first step of this video. And the first step says, choose an affiliate program. And for this, you can either use ClickBank, WaterPlus, or even Digital 24. No matter the one you choose, everything is still going to be the same as far as you're following the same strategies that we are going to talk about in this video. Let's go ahead to the second step for this video. And the second step says, create your account. And for that, we need to come over to Reddit. And once you're here, you want to come over to where it says login. And then you're going to have this little window right here, just like this. You want to come over to where it says sign up. If you hit on that button, you're going to be on this page. If you put your email address and hit on continue, just like every other site, they're going to send you an email for verification. If you confirm that email, your account is going to be created. And the same thing applies to Imgur. If you come over to Imgur, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, it's called Imgur. If you come over to Imgur, you want to come over to where it says sign up, you're going to be on this page just like this. You want to create your username, put your email address, create a password, and retype the password. Once you've done that, you want to put your phone number and hit on next. Just like every other website, they're going to send you an email also for verification. If you click on that email, your account is going to be created. And once you've done that, we will need to go ahead to the next step of this video. And the next step says choose a product to promote. What we need to do is to come over to ClickBank. Remember I said you can either use ClickBank, WaterPlus, or even Digital. All of them are going to be the same. But for the sake of this video, we are going to be using ClickBank. And once you're here, I want you to come over to where it says health and fitness. If you click on health and fitness, everything you see here are going to be products relating to health and fitness. And again, I want to come over to where it says category, and then I want to hit on diet and weight loss. If you hit on that, most of the products here are going to be related to weight loss. We are going to be using this product that says the smoothing diet. Firstly, you want to check the affiliate page. You're going to see some material that are present that you can potentially use. And again, we want to go ahead to the sales page to see how it looks, because we don't want to be promoting a product that cannot convert. We actually need a product that can convert. And the sales page is pretty okay. And we can use most of this testimony right here in creating our post. Now that we know the product that we want to promote, we want to come over to where it says promote and then hit on that button. You're going to be on this page. Choose your affiliate nickname, and once you've done that, you want to come back to where it says create hub link. And once you create a hub link, you're going to have your link just like this. And now we will need to go ahead to the next step for this video. And the next step says create your photo. For you to do that, you want to come over to Google and search for weight loss photo. And once you're here, you want to hit on the images, and then you're going to have all of these photos. You can choose anyone you feel is more eye-catching, that you know that it can potentially generate some clicks, an image that actually show a real result. For the sake of this video, I will just go ahead and click on this one right here. Okay, once you have it like this, the next thing we need to do is to come over to Canva. And once you come over, you want to come over to where it says create design. Once you hit on that, come over to where it says customize size. And here we want to choose between 300 and 300. That is going to be okay. And once you've done that, you want to hit on create design. Then you're going to have your template just like this. What you need to do is to return to Google, drag this image and drop it on the template that you just created. Once you've done that, you want to right click and come over to where it says set image as background. Now you're going to have it just like this. This is real results. Once people see this type of image, trust me, they are going to click because it shows real results. And once you have it like this, you just need to go ahead and add some text. For that, you want to come over to where it says text and then hit on where it says heading. Once you hit on that, you want to write something very short and direct to the point. I will just go ahead and write something like, Daniele lost 8 pounds in 1 week. All I need to do is just to resize the text to make it fit. Then I'm going to drag it to this place. You can still resize it again and make it fit, make it readable. For you to make it readable, you want to highlight everything and come back to where it says effect. Once you come there, you want to come back to where it says background. And with the background, you can choose any of the color that you like. I might choose the same red to make everything relatable. Daniele lost 8 pounds in 1 week. And remember, once you are creating your image, you are going to write something different. You are not going to write the same thing that you see here. If not, everybody are going to be doing the same thing, and at the end, it's going to be too saturated. Okay, and once you have something like this, come over to this arrow. You want to hit on that arrow and come back to where it says download. If you hit on that button, I will just leave it to be PNG. And once you know that, you want to hit on download, and now it's going to be downloaded into your PC. Now we need to go ahead to the next step of this video, which is step 5. And the step 5 says creating your post on Reddit using Google Docs as a landing page, just as we discussed at the beginning of the video. And for you to do that, you want to convert to Reddit, where we initially created our account. And once you're here, what you want to do is to convert to this plus sign right here, and then you want to hit on the plus sign. The first thing you need to do is to convert to where it says images, okay, and then you want to hit on upload. Remember the image that we created on Canva? This is the image right here. I want to go ahead and hit on open. Once you hit on open, you're going to have the image just like this. You can see the way it is. And now you want to give your post a title. But before then, you need to choose a community where you are going to post this your image, okay? And for that, you want to convert to where it says choose a community. You are going to be using your account. Don't use any of this. If not, they are going to ban you right away. You are going to be using your account. You want to hit on your account. Once you do that, now they're going to ask you for the title of your post. And for the title, I'm going to be using the smoothie diet. And once you write the title like this, you want to come over again to the post. And now you're going to have where you are going to write the description of your post. And this is the same place where we are going to be adding our affiliate link. And for the description, I'm going to return to the sales page, and you can see a lot of testimony right here. Getting into the diet was so easy and the results were so fast. You can use most of these testimonies right here, okay? But in my case, I'm going to write something like, the smoothie diet is a revolutionary new life transformation system that only guarantees to help you lose weight and feel better than you have in years. It also promises to eliminate more body fat faster than anything you've tried before. And once you've done that, you want to come over to where it says check it out or learn more. Any of the two is going to be okay. And once you have your learn more like this, what we need to do next, we want to return to ClickBank and then copy the link to our product. Once you copy the link, now you want to go over to Google Docs, okay, and you want to paste your link right here just like this. You can still go ahead and shorten the link if you want to. For the sake of this video, I will just leave the link like this, and then you want to write something like click here to continue. Once you have the link like this, what you need to do is to come back to where it says share. You want to hit on that button. You can change the name. It doesn't actually mean, but most of the time you want to use the name of the product that you are promoting. I will just go ahead and copy the smoothie diet and return to Google Docs again, and I want to paste the name right here, the smoothie diet, and hit on save. Once you have it saved like this, you're going to come back to where it says view. You don't want them to comment, you don't want them to edit, you only want them to view and be able to click, and anyone with the link shouldn't be restricted. And once you have it like this, you want to hit on copy link and then hit on done. Now we want to return to Reddit again. This learn more, you want to highlight the learn more and then come over to this link button. If you hit on the link button, you want to come over to where it says link and then hit on Ctrl V from your PC and hit on insert. And now I'm going to go ahead and hit on post. Come over to Imgur, where we initially created our account at the beginning of the video. You can actually see most of the posts here, how many views and clicks they are getting. Like this one is 133,000 views. That is the main reason why I said once you create an image, you want to create something that is going to be more eye-catching, okay? And if you create something that is more eye-catching right here, it's going to get a lot of clicks and it's going to generate you a lot of leads. Now, for us to make a post on this site, you want to come back to where it says new post. You want to hit on that button. You're going to be on this window right here, just like this. You want to come over to where it says choose photo or video. If you hit on that button, you're going to be on your file. And now we're going to choose the image we created with Canva at the beginning of this video. Once you hit on that image, you're going to have it here just like this. Daniele lost 8 pounds in 1 week. And now they're going to ask you again to give your post a unique title, just like as we did before, because here we're actually repeating the same thing. You can return to your Reddit and copy the same title that you used before, because at the end of the day we are going to be linking everything together. And here you want to hit on Ctrl V, the smoothing diet, and now they're going to ask you for the description. Return to Reddit and copying everything that you see here. Once you've done that, Ctrl C, go over to Ingo again, and where it says description, you want to paste the description right here, just like this. But that is not all. Instead of you using learn more, remember we used learn more, but right here we are not going to be using learn more. You want to write something like click on the link to continue, and for the link you want to return to your Reddit and copy this link right here, the link to your profile. If you copy that link, and now for Ingo to see that this link is coming from Reddit, Reddit has a good reputation, and for that they are going to allow our link. Okay, if you say click on the link to continue, Ingo are going to allow this link, but if you should go ahead and use any other link, they will just remove the link. And now it actually makes sense like this. Once you have it like this, you want to come back to where it says post to community, and they're going to ask you, are you ready to start any points and comments by sharing your post with the Ingo community? Yes, and post publicly. And now your post is going to be live. Whenever they come over to this website, whenever they see our post on the newsfeed and click on the link, they are going to be redirected to Reddit, and from Reddit they're going to click on learn more. They are going to be redirected to Google Docs, and once they click on our link on Google Docs, they are going to be redirected to affiliate sales page where they can potentially make a purchase, and then we're going to be earning some affiliate commission. And if we are to recap, this is Reddit, okay, and this is Ingo. These are affiliate products right here. We are using one store in killing two berries, okay. We are promoting our products on Ingo, we are promoting our products on Reddit, and at the same time both of them might generate us sales, and we can potentially generate some money. If you go out there and repeat the same process just the way I showed you, the sky is going to be your limit. But if in any chance you don't want to make money in this field, you want to use another method, this video right here that is going to pop up is going to show you different way and different strategy that you can potentially use to make money online. So click on this video and I will see you there.